Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna be taking you through Helium10 and the coupon code, the current active code, discount code for Helium10, which is FLEXOBA20, FLEXOBA20. This is the coupon code. So these are for the people that wants to purchase 6 months plan, or people that wants to purchase Helium10 is going to serve you for 6 months. So you are gonna get 20% discount if you use this coupon code. Now, if you ask what is Helium10, Helium10 is a software suite built specifically for Amazon sellers. It brings product research, keyword tracking, listing optimization, and business analytics into one dashboard. So if you sell on Amazon, you should be sure to make use of Helium10. Remember the coupon code and the discount code. So instead of you to be doing guesswork, sellers can easily use Helium10 to make data-driven decisions at every stage of growing their store. So why sellers use it? They use Helium10 to find profitable products before your competitors do. So track keyword rankings and grow your research visibility, optimize listings, and AI power to save hours every week with built-in automation. So now remember, this is the code, the discount code for Helium10. It is FLEXOBA20, FLEXOBA20. So now how to use the coupon code, which is FLEXOBA20. So you go to helium.com and pick the plan that you want, and at checkout you copy this code. I'm gonna put it in the comment section or in the description of this video. So you apply the code and it's going to give you 20% off of any amount you are purchasing, right? So start using Helium10 right away if you want to make sales in Amazon. You can't be an Amazon seller without using Helium10. So don't forget, this is the code FLEXOBA20. So this is the coupon code you're going to use at Helium10.com. So it's going to save you a whole lot of money. So happy making sales. The link will be in the description of this video, so you can head over, you can click the link, and at checkout you can use this code. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.